We have chosen Lithuania not as a surprise. This is the result of a long-term planning of our manufacturing strategy. We are here because we see perfect infrastructure conditions. We see a highly skilled workforce, and with our cooperations with universities, we see a strong base to develop our dream to get to Vision Zero, to get to more electrification and to get to more connectivity in the future.
The country is very advanced in IT, which was very impressive for us, and as we are planning a Industry 4.0 plant, you can only imagine IT is really a key element. This will be the first plant that we design to be environment friendly. Our system, our facilities have a full automated system. So the most impressive part about Lithuania since I started here has been really the people. We have had a lot of customers visiting our plants, they have met our people, and they have always come out with the first positive statement. They said, your people are very passionate and very motivated.
The university is driving new areas, is supporting us with all our Industry 4.0 approaches, and this fits perfect to the future of Continental.
And for us, the success factor was really to have a Lithuanian HR manager with a strong team here in place, so that we as a global company could adapt and basically add our knowledge and experience to the local knowledge and the experience, and that went perfectly well. Our facility here is a blueprint for our future automotive factories.